So ayan, habang binabaybay namin yung mahabang daan papuntang Luwag International Airport, ay nalulungkot na ako. Parang ayaw ko nang tumuloy, pero kasama ko kasi ang pamilya ko, hinatid din ako, so kailangang ipagpatuloy ko ang aking pangarap para sa ganun makapag-umpisa uli kami at makaipon ng sariling pera para sa kinabukasan ng pamilya ko at pag-aaral ng aking anak. Ang hirap, mabigat sa dibdib, lalo na iniisip ko kung anong buwan or anong taon na naman ako balik ng Pilipinas. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Sa photo this video ay nandito tayo ngayon sa Philippine Airlines dito sa connecting flight natin ng Luwag International Airport.
Cabin crew doors on.
For boarding na kami. So tara guys, sakay tayo.
Cabin crew on flight cross.
This is Captain Crespo, and this is Ivan, your senior cabin crew. Our estimated flying time is approximately 40 minutes. We shall now be showing you the safety features of this aircraft, the Airbus 320-200. Please watch the cabin crew nearest you. To fasten your seatbelt, push the ends together. To tighten, pull loose end of the strap. To loosen, belt buckle and pull. To unfasten, lift top of buckle, pull free end to release. If you're with an infant, fasten your seatbelt and wrap your arms around your infant's waist. Your life vests are found under your seats. On the water landing, remove sharp objects from your body. Slip vest over your head. Take tape around your waist. Push end to buckle. Pull waist tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull down sharply the two inflation cords at the lower end. If life vest fails to inflate, blow into mount tubes. Push pin inward to release air. Do not inflate your life vest inside the aircraft. The lamp will automatically activate when the battery is immersed in water. In the unlikely event that emergency oxygen is required, oxygen mask will drop from above you. Remove your face coverings and immediately grab the aircraft oxygen mask and pull firmly towards you. Put over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band for a snug fit and breathe normally. Keep mask on until you're advised to remove it. If a child or other passengers near you need assistance, put your mask on first before assisting them. The emergency exits are clearly marked throughout the cabin. Locate the exits nearest you. These exits may be behind you. In case of power loss or smoke in the cabin, emergency lights and path markings will lead you to these exits during an evacuation. For further information, please study the safety card found in the seat pocket in front of you. In preparation for takeoff, ensure your seatbelts are securely fastened. Seat backs and welcome to Philippine Airlines.
So yan guys, papaalis na tayo. So on time ang Philippine Airlines ngayon. So aalis tayo ng 1 o'clock and 50 minutes. Yan guys. So tara sa Manila, Philippines. So nandito tayo ngayon sa Luwag International Airport. Yan guys, malawak din yung kanilang paliparan. Ito, enjoy natin yung ating biyahe, ang ating flights. So yun guys,
Open your window shades, please.
so yun guys yung Luwag International Airport. Tara na.
Take off. Konti lang ano ma'am. Kasi just in case for safety din. And then after, kapag gagano na tayo, after that, close mo na notifications. Thank you. As a safety requirement for takeoff, we shall be dimming the cabin lights. If you wish to read, reading lights are found in your service panels above you.
Agad ang aking mukha, guys. Kuya. Madaang gising kanina. Tapos pagod sa work. Yan. Magpailawan na tayo. Tara na, guys. Yan. Papiyo na tayo. Yan, guys, dagat na pala dyan sa gilid. Ganda. Gandang tingnan. Oh, maluwang-luwang pa pala dyan. Yan, oh, ang ganda ng dagat nila. Grabe. Ang ganda ng dagat. Ganda. Ang dagat kaya to, ang ganda. Ang init ng ganda ng view, guys. Dito sa Ilocos Norte. So habang nasa Himpapawid kami ay muling pumasok sa isipan ko, bakit ko ginagawang umalis paulit-ulit. At ito ay sa kadahilanang para sa kinabukasan ng pamilya ko, lalong-lalo na sa pag-aaral ng aking anak. Maraming pumapasok sa isipan ko, bakit kasi may mahirap, meron ding mayaman. Pero ito ay dahil lahat may dahilan. Inaalaw ni God na ito ay maranasan natin para alam natin, pahalagahan kung ano man ang meron tayo. Sa ating pagsakripisyo, lahat ay may kapalit na kaginhawaan. Lalong-lalo na sa pamilya natin. So salute sa ating lahat na mga OFW, lalo na sa sakripisyo, tiyaga, pagtitiis natin. At thank you din sa pagtitiwala natin sa God. Kung hindi sa Kanya, di rin natin matutupad lahat ng mga pangarap natin. So kapit lang mga kabayan, lahat ng pagpupursige natin, maiangat ang pamilya natin ay makakamtan din natin. Basta focus lang natin ang goal at ang pamilya natin. Ngayon guys, lalanding na tayo sa Manila International Airport. Nahihiya. So ayan guys, nakita ko na naman ang Manila, so wala na tong atrasan. So go na lang tayo. Go with the flow para makamtan natin lahat ng mga pangarap natin. So hindi na talagang pwedeng umatras kasi mahirap nang bumalik. So pagpatuloy natin ang ating pangarap at mag-umpisa ulit para sa ganun makaipon tayo at makatapos magawa natin ang mga pangarap natin para sa kinabukasan din natin. So ayan guys, grabe kahirap ang buhay ng OFW. Ang hirap bumalik, kung pwede nga lang hindi na bumalik, pero tiis pa rin. Baka soon makakaipon din tayo and then makakapag-stay na tayo sa Pilipinas kasama ang pamilya natin. Shout out sa lahat ng mga OFW sa sulok ng mundo. Lahat tayo ay bayaning Pilipino.
Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Manila. The time is 3 p.m. and the date today is 31st of August, 2024. Remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the seatbelt sign is switched off. For an orderly manner of disembarkation, passengers must remain seated and await instructions for the planing. We shall commence passenger deplaning as soon as we receive clearance to do so. All passengers with connecting flights out of Manila will be given priority. Remain seated until your row numbers have been called upon for the planing. Passengers who need assistance, please approach our cabin crew and ground staff who will be happy to assist you. On behalf of Captain Crespo and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines. If you have onward connection on PAL flights, please proceed to the transfer desk. Passengers taking PAL flights departing from NAIA 1 may avail of our free shuttle service. Our ground personnel will be happy to assist you. seatbelt securely fastened while waiting for your own numbers to be called for the planing. Thank you. Flying Philippine Airlines. We hope you enjoyed your flight and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Mabuhay at maraming salamat po. Good afternoon.
So yan guys, nakarating na kami ng Manila Terminal 1. So pababa na kami. So yan guys, kalalapag lang natin dito sa Terminal 1. So kukunin natin yung ating luggage at pupunta tayo sa transfer desk para papuntang Hong Kong. So yan guys, ang daming mga tao. So yung kasama ko nga pala na naka-yellow ay shoutout sa iyo at hindi ko nakuha yung pangalan mo pero nag-work siya sa Mayfo. So taga Ilocos. Thanks for watching. See you on my next vlog. Bye bye. Please like and subscribe.